Teliumura naimthang khorni bisingo khopjak Moharcherra amjayo kaisa trolley bag kuplung Sidi godan manka naimthang rok Teliumura naimthang khorni SI Raja Jamatia Shawik narika shalbroni haike ongkhor thaniwo Moharcherra amjayo lama ganao trolley bag laijak nokhe khawo mithikma tongma bai amjani lukurok bai fiogi naike Sidi godan manka abono shui naike Shawi manka aro 45 kg Sidi godan tongmani kokno sabo haike khiklai tonikhna o trolley bag no cheri naijak nai hinai koktuma khaklaijaka malkhung kologo rohona naithani faria angise lama ganao toni jakhna hinai joyawi nai tongdi nok ba news ni makliwo
এটা ভালো লাগেছে ইটা নাম খেলেছে নতুন কাজা গ্রাম সুলতান খেলেছে আয় নীতি গাই বিসমিল্লাহ ও দেখেন বালিশ কত বড় Hey, madam, let this now. Bedding. You got BS something. কিন্তু অনেক কিন্তু This evening we were performing a normal patrolling duty in the areas of Moharcherra under Teliumura PS. At that time we saw one bag that is like a trolley and the other one is bedding, hold all bag beside the road, and with the help of the local people of Moharcherra we opened it and we found suspected ganja inside that trolley and bedding. And after opening, we have seen 3 packets. The weight of one packet is 22 kilos, and the other one packet is of 20 kilos, and the other one is of 3 kilos. Total 45 kilos of suspected ganja. The approximate market value may be about lakhs, in lakhs.
Anyone arrest?
There's no anyone, but an inquiry has been started under 106 BNSS.